Easy come, easy go.
Check the one bag today.
One bag, yeah.
Okay. So the gate is 66,
Yeah.
coding star 245, mileage number, and you have a window seat.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good flight. Thank you.
Hey guys, so it's about an hour and a half before our flight, so we're actually gonna head to the SkyTeam Lounge to grab some lunch. Do different car, yeah.
Alright, got it. And sorry, what's your money?
Hey guys, so we are heading out of the lounge and we're gonna board our flight soon. We made it! Last boarding call. So this is the staff room on the 787-9 on All Airway. The washroom is not in particular spacious. What the Japanese do have is the butt washer. It's really nice. The lighting is pretty good as well. Okay, so I'm at Haneda Airport again. It's really nice to be back here. We have about 2 hours. I'm gonna go through immigration first, pick up our luggage. Then we actually have to transit over to the domestic terminal for our connecting flight to Osaka. This is my first time doing a domestic flight trip. I hope that it actually goes well. I'm gonna try to find my friend since we actually sat in different seats during the flight. Okay, so just checked in for the domestic part of my flight. They told us that our initial flight was actually cancelled, but they were actually able to move us to the previous flight, which is currently on a 30-minute delay. We're gonna try to catch the shuttle bus, and we'll be at Osaka around 10 p.m. tonight. Right, see you guys later. So our flight is delayed by another 20 minutes and all the shops are already closed. So I had to walk all the way back to the elevator, and there's a vending machine and get a sandwich. First day in Japan, so tired. Okay, so this is the first official first thing I eat in Japan. Vending machine sandwich. Okay guys, so we're finally boarding. So what's interesting is we're actually going to be taking domestic configured Boeing 777-200ER, but the total seat number is 400. So despite there was a slight delay, I think as long as we got our luggage out ASAP, we should be able to still make it into Osaka city center around 11:30. So just want to get that done, and then the first part of our trip is done. So I also just realized like why Japanese people are really good in terms of servicing. As you can see, the girl is actually lining up the luggage when they come out of the tray. So they're all lined up perfectly and very easy to access the handle. I think in the Western world that this would never happen. It'll just be always like a hot mess. We just got out of the airport and it becomes really, really cold. Need to find the railway ASAP, and then we need to find the best way to get to our hotel.